Okay guys, so there's a couple things that we need to review. Not only for your 9 weeks assessment, but also for your homework that I'm assigning on Delta Math. So if we notice last time we were here before spring break, we were going over multiplying binomials. We were using the box method. Now in this case, I was telling you that we're going to do the opposite, and this time where the opposite would be factoring. If you notice at the top, I put ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That is a standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay, it has to be equal to 0, which is what your homework was about yesterday. So if we look at this question down here, we can see that it's not, we have to set it equal to 0. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to add x to both sides and also subtract 4 from both sides. And I'm just doing I'm doing it all in one step, but this is 5x squared. These would cancel out. And right here we have 4x, and then we have negative 1, all equal to 0. Okay. So what I'm going to teach you is to put this into the calculator so you can factor it. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into the calculator. We're going to do menu 331, and it should say find roots of polynomial, degree 2, the root's real. You're just going to press enter because all that is correct. In the boxes, you're going to put the numbers that are in front, your coefficients. In the first box, you're going to put a 5. In the second box, you're going to put a 4. In the third box, you're going to put negative 1. After you put it in, you should see polyroots, and then inside the parentheses, we have 5x squared plus 4x minus 1, comma, x. If all that is correct, press enter. And you are going to get 2 solutions for this. You are going to get x equals negative 1 and 1 over 5. Quadratic equations almost always give you 2 solutions. And on Delta Math, that's probably what you're going to have to put is 2 solutions. Same thing with the one down here. What we're going to do is we're going to subtract 8x on both sides. Sorry, add 8x on both sides. And that's going to give us 3x minus 70 equals 0. This over here cancels out. So again, menu 331. Press enter, and then we're going to put in the first box. There's nothing in front of the x squared, so we assume that there's a 1. So we're going to put 1, 3, and negative 70. Make sure that it's correct. And the solutions that we get are negative 10 and 7.